Barranquilla known as the Golden Gate of Colombia, officially Special Industrial and Port of Barranquilla in the district capital of the Colombia Department of Atlántico. It is located on the west bank of the Magdalena River at 7 km its mouth of the Caribbean Sea. 1993 it was constitutionally organized, especially industrial and port district. It is one of the most important assets in Colombia and the main commercial, industrial, cultural, and educational center in the Colombian Caribbean region, Sea and River Port. It is the fourth most populous city. The city is home to one of the most important folk and culture festivals of the Colombia, the Carnival of Barranquilla, declared cultural patrimony of the nation by the Congress of Colombia and the oral and intangible heritage of humanity by UNESCO. It was elected American Capital of Culture. This city is privileged because it found the Rio Magdalena and the Caribbean Ocean where many ships to enter the export and import of products. Here we find the Pumarejo Bridge is well known because it allows access to the Cathay Shore and the strands to the city of Barranquilla. In this art there are many fishermen, farmers, businesses, and typical restaurants. In this restaurant, visitors can dine on the banks on the Rio Magdalena. It is an unforgettable experience. In Barranquilla found the Queen Mother Metropolitan Cathedral. The Church of San Francisco of San Nicolas is very old with special architecture and glimmers in the city center. These are the most visited by tourists in any season, either meet or go to pray. We found football stadium as the Romelio Martinez North of Town and Roberto Melendez Metropolitan Stadium were playing Junior of Barranquilla and the Colombia Selection and more others. The ballpark Tomás Arrieta, the Caimans team headquarters in Barranquilla. This where we practice and still practice baseball player Edgar Renteria when visiting your city. Also find monument of celebrities, singer like Joe Arroyo, Shakira, etc. and charted that were part of the culture and development of the city. We celebrate various events in the city, but the most important is Carnival of Barranquilla, where a culture of folklore show in the Rumbódromo via 40 floats. This industrial art becomes had the costume parade and floats in times or carnival. Barranquilla has the Teatro Amira de la Rosa, the skating ring, the cycle track, technological library, Olympic pool, and amusement parks. Curly's visited Caribbean Culture Park, where we find artistic samples as painter, sculptor, singer, writers, poets, etc., and has a great culture plaza where they make presentation. This art was formerly part of the market trend and was inhabited by recyclers. With the arrival of Transmetro, same people insist to make a tourist threat to lowest price scene. This made the tour of the most well-known tourist site on the city. In the last Barranquilla Atlántico as time and had made visited years of its inhabitants and for all those who goes to visit. Open businesses or industries or stay and live it. People are friendly, cordial, and cheerful. Compare the time Barranquilla but to today, we see that progress is noteworthy in the present and what is expected and the plans for the future. For this and much more, it's saying Vividero Barranquilla is the best in the world. Thank you.